Science for Quarter 2, Week 7. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Matatag curriculum, bansang makabata, batang makabansa. With me, teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Here are the possible objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Differentiate the animals on the basis of their eating habits. Number 2. Identify the herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores animals. Number 3. Draw pictures of herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores animals. Number 4. Create simple charts to categorize the animals based on their diets. And number 5. Show concern and love for animals. Short review. Identify the body parts used by the given animals in getting or eating their food. Number 1. Frogs. What body parts used by frogs in getting or eating their food? Very good. Frogs use their long sticky tongues to catch insects and other small prey. Number 2. Doves. What body parts used by doves in getting or eating their food? Good job! Doves use their beaks to peck at seeds, fruits, and other food items. Number 3. Cows. What body parts used by cows in getting or eating their food? Correct! Cows use their mouths and tongues to grasp and chew grass and other vegetation. Number 4. Butterflies. What body parts used by butterflies in getting or eating their food? Very good! Butterflies use their proboscis, a long tube-like tongue, to sip nectar from flowers. And number 5. Cats. What body parts used by cats in getting or eating their food? Correct! Cats use their teeth and claws to catch and eat their prey, and their tongues to lap up liquids. Now, sing the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm together with your teacher. What are the animals mentioned in the song? How would you group the animals according to the food they eat? Rearrange the letters to form the correct word described in the following statements. These are animals that eat plants only. What are these? Good job! Herbivores. These are animals that eat meat only. What are these? Correct. Carnivores. These are animals that eat both plants and animals. What are these? Good job! Omnivores. These are animals that hunt and kill other animals. What are these? Great! Predators. These are animals that are hunted and killed by other animals. What are these? Good job! Race. First lesson, herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. What animals do you know that eat plants? Here are some examples of herbivores. Number 1, elephants. These gentle giants love munching on leaves, bark, and fruits. Number 2, giraffes. With their long necks, they can reach high up into trees to eat leaves. Number 3, rabbits. These cute little animals enjoy eating grass, vegetables, and herbs. Number 4, cows. They spend a lot of time grazing on grass in fields. Number 5, deer. They eat various plants including leaves, twigs, and fruits. Number 6, horses. They love eating hay, grass, and grains. Work example. Study the information about the given organisms. Answer the given questions after the pictures. The green sea turtle is the largest hard-shelled sea turtle. They are unique among sea turtles in that they are herbivores, eating mostly seagrasses and algae. This diet is what gives their fat a greenish color, not their shells, which is where their name comes from. Green turtles are found throughout the world. The dugong, like all sea cows, is herbivorous. It primarily grazes on seagrasses and therefore spends most of its time in seagrass beds. Dugongs were found in all areas of the Philippines. Parrotfish are colorful, tropical creatures that spend about 90% of their day eating algae off coral reefs. This almost constant eating performs the essential task of cleaning the reefs, which helps the corals stay healthy and thriving. Let's answer. Number 1. How would you describe the diet of given organisms? Very good! Green sea turtle munch on seaweed and seagrass, which helps keep the ocean clean and healthy. Dugongs are like underwater cows. They graze on sea grasses all day long, which is their favorite food. Parrotfish have beak-like mouths that they use to scrape algae off rocks and corals. They also eat sea grass and sometimes small creatures in the water. Number 2. Based on their diet, what would you call this group of organisms? Correct! Based on their diet, we can call this group of organisms herbivores, as they primarily eat plants like seagrass and algae. Number 3. These organisms are included in the list of threatened animal species in the Philippines. How would you show concern for these animals? Great! To show concern for these animals, we can help by keeping the oceans clean and supporting efforts to protect their homes. Second lesson, carnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat meat. They have special teeth and claws to help them catch and eat other animals. What animals do you know that eat meat? Here are some examples of carnivores. Number 1, lions. They are big cats that hunt other animals like zebras and antelopes for food. Number 2, wolves. These animals live with their family and hunt together to catch deer and other animals. Number 3, eagles. They have sharp talons and beaks to catch and eat fish, small mammals, and other birds. Number 4, sharks. These ocean predators eat fish, seals, and sometimes even other sharks. Number 5, snakes. Many snakes like pythons and cobras eat small animals like mice, birds, and frogs. Kids, remember, predators are animals that hunt and eat other animals. On the other hand, prey are the animals that predators hunt. In short, predator is hunter and prey is hunted. Let's answer. What do you think are the specific features or characteristics of the carnivores that help them survive in their environments? Excellent! Carnivores survive by using their sharp teeth and claws, strong muscles, keen senses, and speed to catch and eat other animals. What ideas did you come up with for helping to protect wild animals? Very good! We can protect wild animals by keeping their homes safe, not littering, and supporting wildlife conservation efforts. Lesson activity. This lesson activity is to be guided by your actual teacher. Third lesson, omnivores. Meet my pet. This activity is to be guided by your actual teacher. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and other animals. What animals do you know that eat both plants and other animals? Here are some examples of omnivores. Number 1, bears. They eat berries, fish, and small mammals. Number 2, pigs. They eat plants, roots, and small animals. Number 3, chickens. They eat seeds, insects, and small animals. Let's answer. What do you think is the importance of understanding an animal's dietary needs for proper care? Good job! Understanding an animal's dietary needs is important because it ensures they receive the right nutrients to stay healthy and energetic. Proper nutrition helps prevent diseases, supports their growth, and contributes to their overall happiness and well-being. If omnivores eat both plants and animals like us, are we also omnivores? Good job! Yes, humans are considered omnivores because we eat both plants and animals. This means our diet can include a variety of foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, and fish. Being omnivores allows us to have a balanced diet with different nutrients. Work example. This work example is to be guided by your actual teacher. Learners' takeaways. Identify if the animal in the picture is herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore. Number 1. Is it herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Very good. It is herbivore. Number 2. Is it herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Good job! It is omnivore. Number 3. Is it herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Correct, it is omnivore. Number 4. Is it herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Good job! It is herbivore. Number 5. Is it herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Great! It is carnivore. This another learner's takeaways part is to be guided by your actual teacher. Evaluating learning. Read carefully the questions and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. How do herbivores obtain their food? Letter A. By hunting other animals. Letter B. By eating plants. Letter C. By scavenging for leftovers. Or letter D. By consuming both plants and animals. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B. By eating plants. Number 2. Which of the following animals is likely to be a carnivore? Letter A. Cow. Letter B. Lion. Letter C. Elephant. Or letter D. Rabbit. What is the correct answer? Great! The correct answer is letter B. Lion. Number 3. What is an omnivore? Letter A. An animal that only eats plants. Letter B. An animal that only eats other animals. Letter C. An animal that eats both plants and animals. Or letter D. An animal that eats dead organisms. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter C. An animal that eats both plants and animals. Number 4. Which of the following animals is an herbivore? Letter A. Lion. Letter B. Rabbit. Letter C. Wolf. Letter D. Owl. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B. Rabbit. Number 5. What is the primary food source for herbivores? Letter A. Other animals. Letter B. Plants. Letter C. Insects. Letter D. Both plants and animals. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B. Plants. Well done, kids! What have we learned today? Today, we learn about herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Carnivores are animals that eat meat. They have special teeth and claws to help them catch and eat other animals. And omnivores are animals that eat both plants and other animals. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.